The nature of intention in Theosophy. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In Theosophy, intention is viewed as a driving force behind every action. It is not enough to simply perform a good deed. The underlying motivation must be pure and altruistic. For instance, if one donates to charity with the intention of gaining social recognition or personal gain, the karmic outcome may be significantly different than if the donation were made out of genuine compassion and a desire to help others. This distinction highlights the importance of self-awareness and introspection in evaluating one's motivations. Theosophical teachings encourage individuals to cultivate a mindset of selflessness and to act from a place of love and empathy, thereby aligning their intentions with higher spiritual principles.